Your dream is not too big, and your start doesn't have to be perfect. All it takes is one idea, one decision, and the courage to move. This book is your roadmap to that breakthrough. Too many people let fear or confusion stop them from building wealth. But the truth is, success leaves clues. These 4 businesses are already changing lives, and yours could be next. In this ebook, I'll show you how to launch a business that fits your life. Simple steps to start with confidence, real strategies that work in any economy, tools to turn your vision into income. You don't need permission, just a plan. This is your moment. No more waiting, no more second guessing. Tap the link in my bio or description and grab the 4 most profitable businesses to start right now. Your future isn't coming by accident. It's built by action. Let's build it together.